And what if two testers are working on the same test at once?
Same rules as dev teams: pull, branch, commit, and merge. Automation is a team sport.
Sara, I just lost an entire test script. It was working yesterday, but today it's gone.
Let me guess, you saved it on your desktop with a name like Final V2, Final Fixed, Last Real This Time?
Maybe.
That's why we version control everything. Our test scripts live in Git, just like application code. Every update, rollback, and branch is tracked.
So we treat test scripts like real code?
They are real code. And good automation is only sustainable if we treat it like a software project. Same versioning, same discipline.
What about test data and config files?
Stored alongside the code but separated by purpose. Configs go into env files or property files. Test data goes in CSV, JSON, or databases. That way our logic stays clean and portable.
I've also seen the same login function copied across 10 different scripts.
Ouch, that's technical debt. Centralize reusable code, login, booking, seat assignment in helper classes or libraries.
And what if two testers are working on the same test at once?
Same rules as dev teams: pull, branch, commit, and merge. Automation is a team sport.
And naming conventions?
Super important. Your test names should describe what they test. Test, refund, voucher, valid amount. Not test 10, try 2.
Noted. What else makes automation sustainable?
Code reviews, build pipelines, regular refactoring, documentation. We even write README files for test suites so others can onboard faster.
This is way more structured than I thought.
That's the secret. The more structured your approach, the less fragile your automation. You want it to survive app changes, not collapse at the first UI tweak.
All right. From now on, my test code gets branches, reviews, docs, and proper naming. No more Wild West scripts.
Welcome to the big leagues. Next episode, we'll switch gears and explore risks and failures in automation. Even well-built test suites can crash if we don't handle the edge cases. Thanks for watching with us here at TestTactix, where testers come to upskill, innovate, and succeed. Whether you're automating your first test, scaling a framework, or exploring new tools, this journey is just getting started. Subscribe for more tutorials, tool walkthroughs, QA career tips, and straight-up testing wisdom, delivered with clarity and no fluff.
And don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell, unless you want Sara to automate a reminder into your CI/CD pipeline.
Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want to go deeper? Head to TestTactix.com for coaching, resources, and the community you've been waiting for. Until next time, keep testing smart and stay curious.